What's going on, guys? Today I have a fun video planned for us. I have Parker from Vehicle Version's Lamborghini bumper. This is from his old Gallardo, and it's been sitting at my house for way too long. I called Parker, I said, hey, can I make a video shooting it? And he gave me the okay to go ahead and light it up. So today we're taking everything from a 22 long rifle, which is a real tiny round, up to a 450 Bushmaster. We didn't bring our bigger guns out just because we know by that point this thing will probably be pretty torn up. If you want to see a GTR carbon fiber hood and a GTR front bumper get shot, go over to Troy's channel. I'll have it right up in the little cards up there, and you can definitely find it. It's going to be really cool to see what happens. If you guys like this video, be sure to drop a comment and that like, because then we can find some more car parts. Maybe we'll shoot wheels, rotors, suspension, all of that stuff. So, light gravity, let's get started. First up, for the Lambo bumper, we have 22 long rifle, classic, out of this little revolver. All right, 22. Let's check this out. Did that even go through?
It had to have gone through.
Yeah, it had to have gone through.
It went through.
Yeah,
clean through.
Super tiny little hole.
Very tiny little hole.
So next we will move on to a 9mm. Next up we have the 9mm out of the MMP 9, full size.
Where'd you hit?
Clear. Right here. And there's really nothing.
Shoot it again. Hit another spot without the sticker. One, barely.
Yeah, it just like shrinks back around on exit there.
You want to pop it one more time?
Yeah, do you have your gun? All right, out of the Glock now. We'll shoot it over here in the yellow.
Why are you doing that?
And right there, straight through. Okay, next we're shooting 223 out of my AR-15. And I think at this point the verdict is that everything is probably gonna go through this bumper. So I might just hit it with more than just one this time. Back a second. All right, let's see what it did. So it's gonna be all of these little holes right here, straight through that sticker, and boom, that's it. As I said, everything pretty much goes through a Lamborghini bumper, but I think the goal today is gonna be to split this thing in half. So there's gonna be a lot of rounds.
We'll see what we can do.
Yeah, between all of us, we got it.
Nice. Fuck, it's such a hard target.
It really is.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Charging handle, yeah.
Mag drop.
It's pretty solid.
That's gonna be it for today, guys. As you can see, the bumper didn't quite split. We got a lot of damage here all over the place. Shot up Troy's GTR hood and his bumper. If you want to see more of that stuff, head over to his channel. Like I said, it's in the cards up there. Hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time.